Tommy, Charlie, how are you guys?
Good, how are you doing?
All right, so the plan was always to take the walls to gut this space, and at the last minute the homeowner said, oh man, could you guys pop the ceiling up, right?
Yeah, well, once you saw the open space, you could actually see how big and how high the ceiling is there, the roof.
So what's involved with that?
Well, it's quite a bit involved, actually. We've got to see, if you look up here, these are boards that run from the side of the rafter on each side, and they're called collar ties.
Right.
All right, now if you look at this one right here, and the boards that run up to the side of the rafters, and there's one of these on every other rafter all the way in. Because of these boards are here and the size of these are a little bit different, that turns the collar tie, this, into a truss built on site.
Gotcha, okay.
So if we take those trusses or those ties out, this will come out like that, but the roof will want to come down like that.
Well, they are coming out, so what are we going to do?
Yeah, so we have to support the ridge with the structural beam, and then we have to support posts down to hold the ridge up.
Gotcha, okay. So Charlie, there was already going to be a lot of work done up here. This is a little bit of a change order. How big of a deal is that?
Wasn't that bad since we already had it gutted. It's probably 4 days, 2 guys, and under $1,000 in material.
Okay, and they've already gotten started. You got some temporary bracing, I presume?
Yeah, so each rafter had to be supported with a temporary wall system under it.
Yeah.
And then we took some 2x4s and joined the two, and that'll be our work platform to do the work.
Very nice.
So we can safely get up there and do it.
This is going to be fun.
It's going
Let's
to be
get
fun.
to it. Where do we start?
Now,
I want to start right up at the ridge and start and cut. All right, now let me show you what we have here. First of all, the ridge beam right here is a 2x10, okay? It's rough sawn. We're going to remove this 2x10 and we're going to replace it with 3 pieces of LVL,
Okay.
engineered lumber, 18 inches high.
So we're going to make some room for all that,
So
right?
we have to make some room. So that means we have to cut the ends of the rafters off to create a pocket to slide it in. Okay, so what I did is I cut a slot right in here where the ridge meets the rafter, cut the nails, and the idea of it is if I can get the blade through there, which I did, there's no strain or stress on the ridge.
So we're good to go.
We're good to go. So that ridge is really up there, and all the boards, roof boards, are coming down on it. So it's nailed into there like a wedge. So what I'm going to try to do is pull it down with this lag bolt, and hopefully you'll be able to get the bar up top and pull it down with that. Can you get the bar in there? There you go.
Nice.
All right, so now let's slide it outside. We can get it past this brace, and then bring it down and bring it back in. All of our rafters are cut. We've got a brace right across there to set it on that end, and another one down there. So we're gonna bring it in standing up.
all right, you got it.
All right, easy, 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 easy up. There you go. Nice, nice. All right, gonna get another one?
All right, well, that really gives you a sense of just how big this beam is going to be.
Right. And I'd rather have the beam oversized than just right. All right, now this is going to be a tricky one because we got to get it into that little space. That's it. Keep coming. Beautiful. All right, the LVLs are in. It's even on the bottom, and now we'll just screw the 3 of them together before we push it up.
No more?
Nope, you're tight.
All right, give me a tape and you get a length in the post. All set?
Yeah. All right, so I got 153.
153.
All right, we've got our post up on the other end in the center of the building, but now we need to jack up the gable end, see if we can take some of that crown or pitch out of the roof. So I made up a header, a double 2x6, to follow the pitch of the roof in the back. And we're gonna slide that in under the beam. You're gonna place the jack down the bottom, and we're gonna jack it up.
Looks good.
All right, tighten up the jack. Now you're gonna go in nice and easy. I want to bring the top of this beam so it hits the underside of the roof sheathing.
How am I on the left there, Tommy? She's starting to tilt a little bit.
That's all right, it'll straighten itself out. All right, the beam is up, it's posted on both ends. Now what we need to do is put all these angle brackets right here to tie the rafters into the ridge. Once that's in place, we can remove all of our bracing and we'll have a cathedral ceiling.
Great. I got it. All right, it's down. Holy mackerel, what a difference.
Yeah, it's amazing how one beam can change the look of an entire space.
We went from 8 feet to 13.
That is incredible. Nice job, guys. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.